Grade 6, Magsaysay. And today, I will present my science performance task. In this experiment, we will demonstrate and observe a forming solution. It's experiment time! First, we need 4 clear glass alcohol, water, and oil. First, we need to put water in 2 glass. Second, we add the alcohol in the water. In another glass of water, we put the oil. We mix the solution. First, alcohol. Nothing's happened. Second, in oil. The mixture formed 2 layers, and we need to answer the question. Which liquid mix well with water? Alcohol and water mix well because they are miscible. Which solution solute in the water solution? Alcohol is the solution, and the water is the solvent because water is more than the alcohol. What types of solution is formed then to liquid? Dissolve each other. Homogeneous solution, also be called miscible liquids. What types of solution is formed then two liquid do not mix? Heterogeneous solution or immiscible liquid. What your conclusion? Not all liquid mix with water. If liquid mix well and form one clear layer, they are miscible and makes a homogeneous solution. If they separate into layers, they are miscible and make a heterogeneous solution. Water and alcohol are polar, but water and oil is non-polar. It is formed 2 layers.